Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be unboxing, I'll be unboxing a new lens. It is a 50mm f1.8 designed for the Sony a6000 series cameras, or for APS-C cameras really, because this one has the faster autofocus and it also has optical steady shot, optical steady stabilization. It's very steady. It's OSS. It's the good lens. It's the more expensive lens. I gotta be careful in case I want to take this lens back. If I get regret, I can't destroy the packaging. Okay, that is a huge booklet. Look at the thickness of that. It's ridiculous. Let's open the little flap. And right in here, we got a lens. It's nice and little. I think hopefully it'll come with a lens hood. It does. So here it is. Let's just take the front piece off, and there it is. That's a lot more glass than I'm used to seeing on my lenses. Yeah, and then you got the back piece, you got the cap for it, which is all good. And then I've got the actual lens hood for it, which I'll be putting on pretty much right away, because if I ever put it down somewhere, this is a nice little barrier so that it doesn't touch whatever surface I'm on, to protect that crispy lens. Let's find some space to move this camera to, and then we're gonna switch lenses. So you ready? 1, 2, 3. So there we go. Look at that. Look at the nice bokeh in the background. We are all the way at f1.8. Hopefully it looks sharp. How's that autofocus doing? Hopefully keeping me nice and crisp. Look at that. Very, very, very nice. This is going to be so nice for portraits and also for here in the studio, because it's going to look so much nicer. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this lovely, lovely unboxing. I will see you all in the next video, whenever or whatever that may be. Peace. Yo.